Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, once again with Tim McDonough from Radiant Pools at one of our latest jobs in Chester, New Hampshire. Tim, welcome.
Hey, good morning, Kent. How you doing?
Tim.
Thank you very much for having me come over.
Anytime. So Tim, in addition to all of these amazing features that are unique on this pool, what sets the Radiant brand apart from other traditional pools? The insulated walls, correct? Themselves?
Yes, yeah, the actual wall itself is an R10 insulated wall. It's an aluminum skin front and back with an R10 close-out polystyrene in the middle. So that is just like you would insulate your house if you put heat or if you're trying to cool. Same application where if we're putting a heater on this pool, or even if we just want to maintain that heat in the pool, once it heats up, that R10 insulation in the wall has 30% heat retention in the body of water.
So more bang for your buck, especially in the New England climate where it's
Absolutely.
a little chillier and you have shorter summers.
Yeah, and that's where you see that effect is overnight, where you've got the cooling, it gets down to the 40s and 50s at night. And then during the day, you know, warms back up to 80 degrees. You don't get that temperature loss or that bounce.
Sure. Well, thank you, Tim.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome, Kent.
Well, it's great to have
hey,
you.
Thanks
for checking out our new job.
Thank you. Yeah, it looks wonderful. Thank you.
Even better when it's finished.
Yes, can't wait to see it.